Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary heavens of style and elegance. Today we are diving into the world of glam living room decor. If you are looking to elevate your living space with a touch of luxury and sophistication, you have come to the right place. We will walk you through some fabulous ideas and tips to create a living room that exudes glamour and personality. So let's get started. The first step in achieving a glam living room is selecting the right color palette. Opt for deep jewel toned colors like emerald green, sapphire blue, or regal purple. These hues instantly evoke a sense of opulence and sophistication. Consider incorporating metallic accents like gold or silver to add a touch of sparkle and shine. Glamour is all about comfort and luxury. Choose plush velvety sofas and chairs in rich colors to create a cozy yet elegant sitting area. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures and materials for a more dynamic look. Adding some oversized pillows and throws can also enhance the comfort and style of your sitting arrangement. Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood of your living room. Opt for eye-catching chandeliers or crystal pendant lights that can become the focal point of the room. Consider placing floor lamps with metallic or crystal accents strategically to create a warm and inviting ambience. Adorn your walls with statement pieces of art or oversized mirrors with ornate frames. These can instantly elevate the glam factor of your living room and add a touch of drama. You can also create a gallery wall with a mix of artwork and mirrors for a more personalized touch. Small details can make a big difference in glam decor. Decorate your living room with glamorous accessories like decorative trays, stylish vases, and ornate candle holders. These little touches can add an extra layer of sophistication to the overall look. Layering is the key to achieve a glamour look. Invest in an abundance of decorative pillows and throws with metallic accents, fox fur, or sequins. They not only enhance the comfort of your sitting but also contributes to the overall glam aesthetics. Creating a glam living room is all about infusing elegance and style into your living space. From luxurious color palette and plush furniture to glamorous lighting and accessories, every element plays a crucial role in achieving that chic and sophisticated look. So go ahead and let your inner designer shine as you transform your living room into a glamorous heaven that reflects your unique style and personality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your fellow design enthusiasts, and subscribe for more inspiring home decor ideas. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.